Hello, welcome back to Steph's family. Today is my first time on an Amtrak train. So here's some of the seating. This car is pretty new. And here's the view. And say hi.
Don't feel anybody.
And this is all of the seating. Yes. Yep. And we're heading to St. Louis. And I don't know what's back there, but yeah, the cafe is not open yet, and so yeah, and this is where we're sitting, and you're here, and okay, so I'm gonna give you a little tour of the bathroom. So here's a mirror, and here is me, and here is the toilet, and here's the sink, and another mirror, and here's the Amtrak bathroom, and so here it is. There's nothing much in this bathroom. So next I'm going to show the cafe, and I hope you guys enjoy this Amtrak train tour. Now, bye. So here's the cafeteria, and this is what we're getting, and that's it.